Hello everyone, this is Faiza from Tailored by Faiza, and in this video I will tell you how to make a button placket. So I have a fabric piece ready. This is the neckline. I've already cut it and I would like to make a placket over here. So I've made a crease in the middle, and then you would like to decide that how long do you want the placket to be. So in this particular case I want that to be 7 inches long. So I've taken two strips which are 2.5 inches wide and 8.5 inches long. So if I wanted 7 inches, I'm taking 1.5 inch extra. Now I will make a mark at 7 inches and then I'll make a cut over there right in the middle, and then I'll sew the placket. Now you'll take one strip and you'll put it on the right side. At a 1/4 inch seam allowance, you'll sew it, and then you'll flip it to the other side. Then for the other strip, you will sew it from the wrong side of the fabric and bring it towards the right side of the fabric. Okay, so this is my shirt. This is the pretty side of the fabric, the printed side, in case you have a different fabric. This is the wrong side, the back side of the shirt. This is the slit in the front that we made, and this is the mark. So we'll take one of the strips of the fabric, and this is the pretty side. So printed or pretty side facing the pretty side, and I'm working on this part first. So I will leave 1/4 inch up there. I will align it like so. You can pin it up if you would like to, and then you'll sew a 1/4 inch seam allowance. You'll sew a straight stitch up till this point, Okay, so if you would like to use the pins, you can go ahead and do it. So I'm just leaving 1/4 inch up there. This was the point that we marked. So it will be open up to this point, and you will come just 1/4 inch below that point. So this was the 7 inch mark, and I stitched just 1/4 inch below that point, just 1/4 inch below that point. And then I will make a cut in an angle from this point up till this stitch line on the shirt fabric, not on this strip. Okay, so once you have made that cut, as I've told you, then you will iron it this way so that the seam allowance is towards that side. You'll iron it this way. So this is the right side of the fabric. Then you'll fold it towards the wrong side of the fabric. And this is the strip. You fold it one more time, and then you'll put it on top of it like this, and you'll iron it. So this is how it looks from the back side. And this is how it looks from the front side. I will iron it, and then I'll give a stitch right here so that this open edge is sewed. This open edge is sewed. So I'm stitching right there, not on this edge, but on that edge. Okay, so I have stitched it. As you can see, there's a stitch line right here, and this is one side. So this is the pretty side. Now I'll do exact same thing on the other side, this side, but the only difference is that this strip we attach from the right side of the fabric. This strip we are going to attach from the wrong side of the fabric. But other than that, everything is going to remain same. So this is the wrong side of the fabric. This is the slit where I have to attach. And then I'll leave the same amount of fabric as I've left here. And I'll sew this one with a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and then I'll make a cut like I did in this one, and then I'll fold it towards the front side and I'll make a stitch. So it will come from the back to the front. And this is the back side of the fabric. For the shirt, this is the wrong side of the fabric, but this is the pretty side of the fabric. Okay, so I have sewed this strip. Again, this is the wrong side, and this is the pretty side, the printed side of the fabric. And I've sewed it at a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Now I'll fold it and bring it towards the right side of the fabric. Like this. Okay, so I'm going to iron this, and then I'll stitch it right there, and then I'll tell you how to put it on top of each other. Okay, so I have sewed this one. This is the stitch line that I have made. So what we are going to do is that I will serge this edge off, and then this is going to go inside, and the one that we prepared earlier, it is going to come on top of it, overlap it. We'll cut this axis off. And then over here, we'll just fold it. Let me zoom in. Over here, so this is on top of it. And then over here, we will just fold it one time like this. And then we are going to sew a box over here. So this is going to finish off the button placket. Okay, so I have serged this edge, and this is going to go inside. Then I'll put this one on top, and I'll iron it in a way that this is nice and settled, like this. You can use pins. I've serged this one as well, but this is, again, this is optional. You don't really have to. So then I will fold it one time on top of it, like so. So I'll be sewing a box over here, making sure that this thing is overlapping and it's coming about 1/4 inch above the cut, at least 1/4 inch above the cut, and that will complete the button placket. Then you will just put the buttons over here, and you can finish up the neckline as you like. Alright, so I've made a stitch over here, and then I made a cross as well just to secure this, and then this is ready. I cut the axis off, and now the button placket is ready. You just have to make sure that you are putting, when you're sewing this side, you're putting the right side to the right side when you're sewing a strip, and then for this side, you're sewing from the wrong side of the fabric, but the strip's right side is facing the wrong side, and then you're bringing it towards the front. Okay, so if you like this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with your friends and family so that they can make use of it as well. And let me know in the comments below what other videos may be helpful for you so that I can make those for you. Thank you.